I am about to do something that most people selling courses would never do. I am going to give you a math formula that tells you est, with zero ambiguity, whether paying for a crypto course makes sense for your specific situation. And for some of you watching, the honest answer is going to be no. Save your money. Free content is enough. But for others, the number is going to be so clear that hesitating any longer is literally costing you money every week you wait. I promised you this formula at the end of my last video, so here it is. Take the amount of money you plan to invest in crypto over the next 12 months. Not what you have invested so far, play what you plan to invest going forward. Now multiply that number by 0.2. That is 20%. And that 20% represents the average amount that beginners lose to completely preventable mistakes. FOMO buying, no exit strategy, bad security, trusting the wrong people. All the things we have talked about in this series. That number plans. Your planned investment times 0.2 hands is the cost of not knowing what you are doing. Now compare it to the price of a good course, which typically ranges from $50 to $200. If the cost of your potential mistakes is significantly higher than the course price, the course pays for itself before you even finish it. If you are only planning to invest $50 total, a $200 course makes no sense. Save your money, watch my videos, and learn as you go. That is the math. No manipulation, no pressure, just arithmetic. But there is more to this conversation than numbers is. I have spent hundreds of hours consuming free crypto content, YouTube videos, blog posts, Reddit discussions. The difference between the two experiences taught me something I did not expect. Free content has real advantages. It is free, obviously. There is an enormous amount of it. And some of it, palette, including what I share on this channel time, is genuinely excellent. If you are disciplined, self-motivated, and naturally good at organizing scattered information into a coherent learning path, But here is what I discovered after months of trying to learn for free. The information is everywhere, but the structure is nowhere. Video A teaches one concept. Blog B contradicts it. Twitter thread C adds nuance that confuses everything. After weeks of this, I had fragments of knowledge scattered across my brain like puzzle pieces from different puzzles. I knew a lot of facts, but I could not connect them into a system that actually helped me make decisions. That is the first problem, no structure. And it leads directly to the second problem play, wasted time. I spent weeks learning things in the wrong order, revisiting concepts I had already covered because a new source presented them differently, and going down rabbit holes that had nothing to do with my actual goals. A structured course would have given me the same knowledge in a fraction of the time with Riz. Not because the information is different, but because the path is clear. The third problem is one nobody talks about, though: accountability. When you are learning for free, there is no one checking your progress. No exercises forcing you to apply what you learn. No community asking how you are doing. I started strong, studying every day for the first 2 weeks. Then life got busy. A week passed without learning. Then 2 weeks. Then I just stopped. Not because I lost interest, but because there was nothing holding me accountable. Most people who try to learn crypto for free follow the exact same pattern. And the fourth problem is the most expensive one, the cost of mistakes. Let me make this concrete. You invest $1,000 without proper education. You see a coin pumping on Twitter Hap, FOMO kicks in, and Hap, you buy near the top. The price drops. You lose $300. Or you store your seed phrase in a notes app and it gets compromised. You lose everything. Or you buy an altcoin based on an influencer recommendation and it drops 80%. These are not hypotheticals. These are things that happen to beginners every single day. A course that costs $100 and prevents even one of these mistakes has paid for itself several times over. So who should NOT buy a course? If you are only putting $20 or $50 into Bitcoin as an experiment, free content is plenty. If you are already experienced and just want to sharpen one specific skill, find a targeted free resource. And if any course costs, good crypto education does not require a premium price tag. Who else should consider a course? Anyone planning to invest a meaningful amount. Anyone who values their time and wants to avoid the 6-month self-study grind. Anyone who learns better with structure, exercises, and community. And anyone who understands that the cost of ignorance in crypto is always higher than the cost of education. The course I recommend is linked in the description. It covers everything we have discussed in this series and goes significantly deeper, Furote, with practical exercises.
It is an affiliate link, Pregigo. I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, but I want to be transparent about why I recommend it. It is because I have seen too many people lose money learning through trial and error, and I genuinely believe this course shortens that learning curve dramatically.
Now, Fuang, I know what some of you are thinking. Okay, maybe a course makes sense for me, but how do I know the HIS specific course is actually good? For him, how do I know it is not just another overhyped product that promises everything and delivers nothing?
That is a completely fair question.
So in my next video, I am going to do something I have never done on this channel before. I am going to open the course up, module by module, and give you the most transparent, unfiltered review you will find anywhere. What is inside? What genuinely I'm even going to give you specific reasons NOT to buy it. Because if this course is not right for you, I would rather save you the money than earn a commission. That is not how most affiliates operate. But I am not trying to be most affiliates. I am trying to be the one you actually trust.
Full review, no filter. Next video.